Digital public infrastructure is being discussed everywhere, like platforms, stacks, apps, AI, etc. But there is one question we don't ask often enough. Who is this digital infrastructure really for? Because if a system exists but people cannot meaningfully access it, is it public infrastructure at all? Today, DPI is defined as digital identity systems, payment platforms, and data exchanges. But these definitions miss something fundamental: meaningful access. If I don't own a smartphone, if I cannot read or write, if the internet is far away or unaffordable, then the system excludes me, even if it is technically digital. A right without access is not a right. Take digital payments. UPI is celebrated as a global success, and it is. But to use it, I need a phone, an app, digital skills, and bandwidth. Now imagine something different. Imagine digital services as shared public infrastructure, where people can walk in, get assistance, and access services locally. That is the difference between technology that exists and infrastructure that works for people. Today, digital-only policies often create new exclusions. A worker is told to buy a smartphone, learn an app, upload photos, and prove their own attendance. But attendance is the employer's responsibility. In the physical world, the register is provided. So why in the digital world does the burden fall on the poorest worker? Here is an example from the Government of India's Department of Telecommunications, the Samriddhi Gram Village project, co-implemented by the Digital Empowerment Foundation in Guna, Madhya Pradesh. This initiative stands out as a powerful model of people-centric digital public infrastructure. Samriddhi Gram uses BharatNet infrastructure to deliver citizen-centric services like healthcare, education, skill development, agriculture, e-governance, e-commerce, financial inclusion, and FTTH connectivity. All designed around the community, not the platform. This is how a smart and sustainable DPI village is built, by placing communities at the heart of digital design. People-centric DPI treats digital access as a public good, like roads, water, and food. It must reach the last village.
We can achieve zero hunger only when the DPI or the public what we are saying, digital public infrastructure. That means it's a public infrastructure. But it is now digital in the modern era, right? So anything that is a public infrastructure should be accessible to the people, right? That means access is, or meaningful access, transactional access, convertible access is extremely important for a DPI to be functional for the most marginalized people.
This is the work of the Digital Empowerment Foundation. Across India, DEF is building people-centric digital public infrastructure by working directly with communities, bridging the last mile, enabling access, and designing systems that people can actually use.